Hi everyone, welcome to GP World. I'm Agni and today we've got something really special for you. Welcome to NGO Masterclass Mondays, the series for everyone who's ever thought, we're saving the world, so why do we still need to beg for printer ink? Okay, we get it. You're working 10-hour days, you're changing lives, you have 8 WhatsApp groups called Final Campaign Proposal, yet somehow you're still exhausted, broke, and eating office biscuits for lunch. This show is for everyone who's ever felt like the main character in a workplace version of The Office, but with big donation boxes and small budgets. Welcome to the non-profit life, where passion is plenty and donors are imaginary. Here's the thing, NGOs are doing incredible work, but the way we run them, running an NGO in 2025 sometimes feels like trying to stream House of Dragon on a 3G plan. Because saving the planet shouldn't mean burning out, running broke, or writing yet another grant proposal titled Empowering the Empowered for Sustainable Empowerment. And that's why this show exists. Every week, we'll break down one big NGO problem. Fundraising, recruiting, storytelling, impact measurement. We'll show you how to fix it without losing your mind and your sense of humor. Basically, we're the unofficial survival guide for changemakers. The kind that drink too much chai, have too many tabs open, and still somehow believe we can make the world better. Let's face it, the NGO world is chaotic good. We've got the passion of activists, the enthusiasm of students in a group project, and the strategy of toddlers at playtime. Fundraisers spend 90% of their time crafting the perfect pitch. 10% crying when the email says, we regret to inform you, and a 100% pretending that everything's fine during donor meetings. And let's not even talk about recruitment. Finding the right staff is like swiping through dating apps in 2025. Everyone says they're passionate about impact, but half of them disappear after 2 weeks. Finding good volunteers is like Hinge for humanity. All green flags in the bio, but all red flags in real life. And just when you finally hire that star volunteer, they leave to pursue higher studies in Canada. Here's the truth. NGOs are the OG influencers. You don't sell products, you sell hope. You don't chase likes, you chase impact. And you don't have a content calendar, you have a crisis management calendar. So it's time to give you the tools, strategies, and occasional means to run like the purpose-driven powerhouses you are. Because we can't build a sustainable world on passion alone. We need creativity, community, and lots of caffeine. And that's exactly why we're here. To make sustainability make sense, one chaotic Monday at a time. So whether you're a 24-year-old trainee fundraiser wondering why every donor ghosts you, or an NGO founder doing 3 people's jobs, or a CEO trying to figure out what impact metrics really even means, this series is for you. It's for everyone. Right from the Emily in Paris of your NGO making chaos look chic, to the Bear Grylls of fundraising, surviving on biscuits and adrenaline. Every Monday, we laugh about the chaos, unpack real strategies that actually work, and remind you that even small NGOs can do massive things with the right ideas and just a little bit of help. So hit subscribe, tell your NGO fam, and grab your notebook, or whatever's left of it, because NGO Masterclass Mondays premieres next week. Check out our website at the link below, share it on your NGO WhatsApp group, and don't forget to tag that one co-worker who says quick update before a 40-minute long rant. Together, let's prove that doing good doesn't have to mean going broke.